Welcome back to Shop Talk with Shock and Awe, and today we're going to look at ratchet straps. Ratchet straps are pretty simple. All you have to do is line it up with the little groove down here, slide the strap in from behind, take the tail and loop it over the top, bring it around backwards, bring up some tension, and then ratchet it down. And you're going to wait till it comes all the way back around to that position. And then you're going to be able to pull it tight and you're good to go. To release, lift up that little handle, bring it all the way backwards. You'll see there's a little slot. You got to fill it in. Grip tightly, pull backwards until it releases, and then let the tail come on through. Pretty simple.